Hey makers, welcome back. So you've got this awesome PDF file. Maybe you bought it online and now you're all excited to cut it on your Cricut. But then you realize that your Cricut doesn't actually support PDFs. But there's a super simple way to do this. All you need is Adobe Illustrator software on your computer. And I know that might sound a little tricky, but trust me, it's not. In this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to convert PDF to SVG for Cricut. So you'll be able to take any PDF design for cutting in no time. Alright, now let's get started. As you can see here, this is the PDF file that I want to convert into an SVG file. To start, right-click on the PDF file, then hover over to Open With and select Adobe Illustrator. The PDF will now open inside Adobe Illustrator. All you need to do is click on the File menu at the top menu. From the drop-down list, move your cursor down to Export. This opens a side menu with more options. Just click on Export As option. After clicking Export As, a Save dialog box will appear. Here, choose the location where you want to save your file and select the SVG file format and click on Export. After selecting the file format, the SVG options window will appear. You can leave the settings as default and click OK to complete the export. After that, you can upload your SVG file to Cricut Design Space easily. Check out the previous video in the description to see how it's done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.